Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Laksh. So I ordered my M1 MacBook Pro from Apple's website on November 21st and today is December 16th. It took its time, but it's finally here. I had it configured, so let's see if it sees that on the box. So it does say the custom configuration on the box. Base model comes with 8GB RAM. I got 16. And instead of 256, I got 512GB storage. So let's go and unbox this. And by the way, this is going to be my first Mac. I've never used a Mac before. I'm switching from PC right now. So let's pull this tab. Nice. Let's lift this. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Love the packaging. We will get to the good stuff in a bit, but first let me show you what else is in the box. User manual, charging brick, this is 60 watt I think, with a European plug. I really like the one that folds in, but anyways. And USB-C to USB-C cable. This cable is quite long. There's only one thing left to point out here is here it is, most important, these Apple stickers. They match the color of the MacBook. That's a nice little touch. But I don't know what to do with these. I've never used my iPhone stickers. Okay, so now to the good part. I've seen tons of unboxing videos and it just turns on by itself. Let's see. Wow, I love the sound it made. I'm going to wait for it to turn on. Okay, so I am a first time Mac user, as I said. Let me figure it out. I'm gonna finish the setup.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Setup was very easy. I'm on my main screen. I'm just gonna close this so that I can see if I can really open this with one hand. Yes, works like a charm. I also ordered Final Cut Pro, so let's see if it comes pre-installed. Yes. I've seen some reviews on YouTube about Final Cut Pro, how well optimized it is on M1 machines. I'm definitely going to try that out and share my views once I test it. I'm also going to test the real world battery usage. Apple claims 20 hours. That is something I'm very excited about. By the way, this was my first YouTube video on this channel. You guys can see all my future videos on this channel by subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.